Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology corporation that based on Redmond, Washington. Microsoft was founded on April 4, 1974 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It produces computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related services. Its best-known software products are the Microsoft Windows line of operating system, the Microsoft Office Suite, and the Internet Explorer and Edge web browser. The company is led by a board of directors comprised primarily of outsiders. The mission of Microsoft company is to empower every person and organization on the planet to achieve more, while the vision is we strive to create local opportunity, growth, and impact in every country around the world.
The first key term is job analysis. Job analysis contains a simple term called analysis, which means a detailed study or an examination of job in order to understand more about it. Therefore, job analysis is to understand more about a specific job in order to optimize it. Job analysis is a systematic process of collecting complete information pertaining to a job. There are 5 important concepts which are job description, position description, job specification, and job design. The importance of job analysis to HR managers are for the work redesign, human resource planning, selection, training, and a few others. Job analysis is so important to HR managers that it has been called the building block of everything that the personnel does. The fact is that almost every human resources management programs require some types of information that is obtained from job analysis. The second key term is job design. Job design refers to the way that a set of tasks or an entire job is organized. Job design, as the name suggests, it means job design for an employee in such a way that eliminates all the negative aspects of employee's job. In such a scenario, they need to adjust themselves to the new job design. This is essential for the people who are bored with their jobs, desire a challenge, are dissatisfied with their jobs, and want a change. Instead of compelling them to change the job design is a win-win solution for both employees and the company. There are several approaches to the job design, which includes job enlargement, job rotation, job enrichment, and work design. Job design is important because the way the job is designed can give influence on job performance and also affecting mental, physical health of the employee who performed the job. Job design also can affect job satisfaction.
I'm Michael, and next I would like to present on the company best practices. So the first practices is respecting human rights. It shows that Microsoft Global Human Rights Statement and participation as a signatory to the United Nations Global Compact. Furthermore, they demonstrate commitment to respecting the following human rights covenants and declaration as stated in the slide. And the next practices is diversity and inclusion. Microsoft inherently inclusive mission empower everyone on the planet as a core to the business model, which informs the actions and can impact economies and people around the world. So Microsoft, they each strive to include others by holding accountable for diversity, driving global systemic change in their workplace and workforce, and creating on an inclusive work environment. So the third practices is inclusive hiring. So Microsoft is striving to promote an inclusive company culture, which Microsoft work to ensure that their products meet the needs of all customers, including the people with disabilities. Microsoft comes with the initiative programs for the disabled, such as implementing the Disability Employee Resource Group, implementing the Ability Hack program, and lastly, implementation of Ability Submit program.
The first best practice outcome is Human Rights Day 2020. This is the Microsoft ongoing commitment and responsibility, which is publishing in 18 languages and dialects. The main expressions of how to understand and approach human rights responsibility. For examples, global pandemics. Global pandemics refers to COVID-19 pandemics, where millions of people have lost access to the rights and more because of the COVID-19 pandemics. For example, right to life, medical care, works, and education. Secondly, by announced pilot programs. In the years of 2015, referring to the autism, Mary Ellen Smith said that Microsoft is stronger when we expand opportunity and we have a diverse workforce that represents our customer, including more diverse talent within Microsoft have also led to some major company breakthrough. For example, people with autism bring strengths that we need at Microsoft because each people is different. Some people have amazing ability to retain information, things, levels of details, and deeps or excels in maths or in code. The third outcome is Microsoft Neurodiversity Hiring Programs. This is the traditional ways where focuses on workability, STEAM project, and skill assessments, where to showcase the unique talents. For examples, multi-days hirings, which the main ultimate goal is to increase the percentage of employees with disabilities at Microsoft.
In conclusion, Microsoft is a great company that gives so much benefits to their personnel as well as for their customers, as it leads to developing the futures of the modern generation. The upcoming generation will learn a lot more about technologies if they use Microsoft as their daily routine in doing job tasks or for education use. That's all from us today. Thank you.